Garut has a lot of natural beauty. One example, which is located in Sinarjaya, Bumbulang, South Garut, Garut Regency. The place is Puncak, Guha, where a tourism place that is not widely known by many people because the location is quite far from the Garut city area.
I am Zaeni Khotibul Umam, Jajaka Remaja number 15. I'm a student from Senior High School 11 Garut. The achievement that I have achieved is to become the third winner of Rangsukan Sundanes Sadidinten.
And I am Qyara Maharani Putri, Mojang Rumaja number 15. I'm student at Senior High School 1 Garut. The achievement that I have achieved are that I am a national Paskibraka in 2021, who served as an heirloom flag bearer and became a 2022 Carnival officer as the bearer of the original text of the proclamation.
By visiting Puncak Guha, we are present with very exotic natural beauty. Not only very beautiful beaches, but also cliffs that stand tall and directly adjacent to open the sea, where tourists can enjoy view of the open sea.
Not only that, high cliffs can be used as a comfortable camping place with views of the sea from various sides. There is also a bat cave that can be seen directly at the entrance of the tour.
Truly, the Puncak Guha presents the beauty of complete natural panorama. We invite our road residents and tourists to visit and enliven Puncak Guha tourism.
It's our job as young teens to look after and care for it. And most importantly, we urge and invite to always maintain and cleanliness and beauty of nature. Because the natural beauty will be damaged if not maintained. For example, by littering, which can damage the ecosystem in the environment.
Therefore, as youth in Garut, we invite Garut residents and tourists to always maintain cleanliness and natural beauty, so that they can be preserved and become a national standard tourism place.
If not us as Garut teenagers, who else?
If not now, when? Simkuring siap tandang di Nararaga Pasanggiri Mojang Jajaka Kabupaten Garut tahun 2022.